All right, here's some tips for after you clean your pool toy suit. If it is a suit that has print, like this one, this is typically if it's like a fully customized design, then typically it's going to have digital printing on the outside. So you want to hang it over a towel like this so that it can't touch itself, because the way that this print is put on there, if it is allowed to dry and fold it over touching itself, it can actually transfer the print off of it. So you want to let it dry with the print on the outside first, and hang it over a towel so it can't touch itself. Then once it's dry, turn it inside out. Now when you do arms, you want to go in and grab where the two layers come together. So right here, I'm going to reach inside and I'm going to grab through to the outer layer and pull. This way I don't put too much stress on that attachment point, because that's a place that can tear when you're pulling it inside out. So I grabbed it and pulled it by both layers through so that I wasn't pulling the inner layer, causing a lot of stress around that point right there. And you want to wash these suits pretty much immediately after you take them off. You don't want them to sit, because the longer they're exposed to the oil on your skin, then the more that it's going to degrade the material, because the oil from your skin displaces the plasticizer, which is also an oil inside of the material. So the quicker that you wash it after you take it off, the better that this material is going to be and the longer it's going to last. And also the less funky it's going to smell. Because if you smell funky, I'm not going to want to play with you. You can also speed things up with one of these floor dryer fans blowing at your suit. And if you really want to speed it up, you can also use a dehumidifier like this one to dry out the air in the room.